Cheap short-term car insurance quotes. Failing to report an incident promptly can be very expensive. It is extremely important that you report a crash to your insurance carrier in a timely fashion. Your contract states that failing to comply with this requirement and your other requirements after a claim or loss allows the company to deny your claim. How much time do you have to report an auto insurance claim? The circumstances of the crash in the legal jurisdiction can also impact the answer to this question. However, if you report an accident within 24 to 48 hours, you should have no problems. Although you can report a claim long after 24 to 48 hours have transpired and potentially still be covered, why take a chance? The longer you wait, the harder it will be to find witnesses and to find witnesses that remember what happened. The physical evidence of the crash may also be compromised if you wait too long to file your claim. Having a crash or getting points on your license is a tried and true method for raising your premiums. Your car insurance carrier wants to ensure safe drivers and will offer lower rates for those who cost them less money in claims and those who are likely to cost them less in claims. Not only is a crash likely to increase your costs for insurance, it could dramatically reduce the quality of your life if you were hurt seriously. Be a safe driver, pay less, and live longer. A DWI conviction will have a big impact on your automobile insurance costs. How long can a DWI affect your insurance rates? As long as 10 years. Although the major impact on your rates will be over in 2 or 3 years, you may not qualify for the best rates for as long as 10 years. How much does a new teenage driver raise automobile insurance premiums? A lot, but the rates will be even higher if you get him or her expensive automobile that requires physical damage coverage. Sporty fast cars aren't such a good idea either. If you have a teen driver, make sure that he or she takes an approved driver's education course. Most insurance companies will give you a good discount if your child passes such a course. Physical damage coverage is also known as collision and comprehensive coverage. Collision and comprehensive insurance are optional if your auto isn't financed or leased. These are the part of your coverage that pay you for damage to your automobile. Since the absence of these aspects of your policy don't affect payments to others you might get into an accident, there are no state mandates regarding them. If you own your automobile outright, you can decide to accept the risk that you will need to spend your own money to replace or repair your auto and avoid paying for physical damage coverage. If you feel that you need some coverage but want to lower your costs, you can raise your deductible. You can raise your deductible for either the collision section of your policy or the comprehensive section, or for both sections. This can go a long way towards lowering your auto insurance bills. Getting caught driving without automobile insurance can mean that you were forced to have your auto insurance company file an SR-22 on your behalf. This can add to the cost of a policy.